How to clear cache on Android on Instagram. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Instagram. Click on your profile located at bottom right corner of your screen. Then click on three lines located at top right corner of your screen. After that, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on search located at the top. After you click on search, simply in here type search. You'll find search history pop up. Simply click on search history. And at the bottom, you'll find clear all searches. Click on it. And then you'll find options last hour, yesterday, or all time. Click on the one you prefer and clear. After you have cleared from here, simply open Settings. Click on Apps and Notifications. After you've clicked on Apps and Notifications, click on Instagram. In here, as you can see, there is Instagram. Click on Uninstall, which is beside Open and Force Stop. After you have uninstalled, simply open Play Store and then search for Instagram. In here, download Instagram. After the Instagram is downloaded, open the app, log into your account, and then you're good to go. This is how to clear cache on Android of Instagram. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.